Are you ready to start your own little gardening business while being lazy and letting nature do its thing? Some plants like Datura grow from seeds while some propagate without seeds. For example, Bryophyllum grows from buds along the margins of leaves. Sweet potatoes can be produced from root tubers. Gladiolus grows from fleshy underground stems. The ginger plant propagates vegetatively by rhizomes. A rhizome grows just below the surface of the soil. It is the thick, horizontal stem swollen with stored food. It has nodes and internodes on its surface. Axillary buds are present at the node, which produce foliage leaves. Gladiolus corm is a fleshy underground stem that has reserved food materials. A single corm develops daughter corms which can be separated and grown into new plants. Artificial propagation, cutting. A rose plant is a shrub with a short, thick stem. A portion of the stem can be cut off from the parent plant. This piece of stem, called a cutting, is planted into moist soil. This cutting, when provided with adequate sunlight and water, develops root and shoot systems and gradually forms a complete plant. Thus, stem cutting is used for artificial propagation. Layering. In a jasmine plant, a part of a long branch close to the ground is bent and buried in the soil, while it is still attached to the parent plant. After some time, the buried part develops root and the aerial part develops a new shoot system. Then the layered plant is cut off from the parent plant and it grows into an independent new plant. Advantages of vegetative propagation. Flowering plants can be propagated vegetatively to produce a large number of plantlets in a short time. Vegetative propagation is very helpful in propagating non-flowering plants.
Let us summarize. Some plants can propagate without seeds. Bryophyllum grows from buds along the margins of leaves. Sweet potatoes can be produced from root tubers. Gladiolus grows from freshly underground stems called corn. The ginger plant propagates vegetatively by rhizomes. Cutting and layering are the artificial methods of propagation.
As you just learned, it's easy to have an entire garden full of roses or jasmines or even both. You too can easily propagate plants that do not have flowers. But do you think that's all plant world has to offer?